In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a spoiler tag on Reddit. Whether you're talking about a new movie, a TV show finale, a game ending, or anything that could ruin a surprise for others, using spoiler tags is a simple but important way to be considerate of your fellow Redditors. Let's walk through the process from the moment you start creating a post. First, you'll want to create your post as you normally would. Open Reddit and go to the community where you want to post. Then click on the Create Post button. This is usually found near the top of the community page or on the home screen, and it might say something like Create Post or New Post, depending on the device or version you're using. Once you click that, you'll see the Post Composer open up, with a text box where you can type your title and your main content. Before you get too far into writing your post, look just above that main text box. There should be an option labeled Add Tags or something similar. This area is where you can apply different labels to your post, such as spoiler, NSFW, or flare, depending on what the subreddit allows. Go ahead and click on Add Tags. A small menu or panel will appear with different toggles or options. Here, you want to find the one labeled spoiler. When you see it, simply toggle it on. That usually means clicking or tapping a switch or checkbox, so that it becomes highlighted or appears active. Turning on the spoiler tag tells Reddit to blur your post content or title, depending on the platform and subreddit settings. Viewers will see a spoiler warning, and they'll need to click or tap to reveal what you wrote. This gives them the choice to avoid spoilers if they aren't ready for them yet. After you've toggled on the spoiler tag, you can finish writing your title and your post content as normal. Take a moment to double check that the spoiler option is still enabled before you hit the post button. When everything looks good, click post to publish it to the subreddit, and that's all there is to it. By clicking on Create Post, adding tags above the text box, and toggling on spoiler, you make sure your content is clearly marked and respectful to others who might not want anything spoiled.